Meaning of dirty bomb.
Dirty bomb.
Dirty bomb.
Dirty bomb.
Dirty bomb. A dirty bomb is a type of explosive device that combines conventional explosives with radioactive material. When the bomb detonates, it spreads radioactive particles over a wide area, causing both immediate and long-term health effects on the people who are exposed to it. The consequences of a dirty bomb attack could include a large number of casualties, as well as long-term contamination of the affected area. The psychological impact of such an attack could also be significant, leading to fear and panic among the general population.